Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the Indies knowledge system, IKS and sustainability. This means we will look how old Indian wisdom can help us solve modern problem like water shortage and too much of trash. We will be focused on the two simple but powerful ideas like rainwater harvesting and zero waste living. The ancient wisdom meets a modern sustainability. IKS is simply the old way of life in India, showing a deep respect for nature. People lived in harmony with the environmental for thousands of years. This method, like collecting rain and reusing everything, have worked well for over a thousand of years. Keeping community healthy in a different climates, they are the proven method. Today, these old ideas give us a global solution. They teach us how to manage water, deal with waste, and be strong against climate changes overall the worldwide. And we will talk about the step wall engineering wonder of ancient in India. Uh, let's look up the amazing example, the step wall. This is a huge deep wells which steps built into the ground, some over 1,500 years old. They are the clever engineering. They were designed to reach water deep underground and keep it cool. It like a natural refrigerator for water. The step wall were also important gathering spots. They were just for water. They were places for people to meet and cool down in a hot hot and dry regions. Rainwater harvesting in IKS techniques. The traditional IKS used a different ways to save water. Goods and underwater tanks. These are like ancient underground water bottles. They catch rain. They catch rain, filter it naturally, and store it to be used all years. And rooftop and canal system. This was a smart network of channels to send rain from roof and ground into the storage area. This stopped water from being wasted and helped refill the underground waters. And Jaigra Fort legacy. This fort has been incredible of 400 years system. It captured about a 6 million gallon of water in one season, giving a clean, free drinking water without needing any electricity. So next we'll go for the modern rainwater harvesting and bridge tradition of technology. We are now using these traditional ideas with the modern tools. Today, we use rooftop systems with modern filters to collect and clean rain for sites, for cities. This help a lot. We really less on the city water supplies. We put water back into the ground, and we use less energy. This is the zero waste living for the daily practices. The zero waste living in IKS means making a minimal trash by reusing everything and using natural material. This old philosophy says we must respect all resources because they are all precious. And like organic composting, all food scraps and plants waste are turned into the rich soil for farming and natural cleaning. Things like cow dung ash and plant-based agent replaced chemical soaps and plant-based dyes, colors for clothes come from nature and went back to nature without causing harm. and natural packaging. Leaves and clay were used to instead of plastic packages packaging. This is the zero waste living for daily practices, and Viraksha Vedya is the science of plant life. Is an ancient science about the plant to grow and stay healthy. Making compost like a rich soil from the waste is a key part of this. It's about keeping kitchen market as a zero waste. Today, communities all over the world are learning this wisdom and also start in household composting in IKS practices. IKS inspired innovation today. IKS is inspiring in new things today. Green agriculture architecture principles like Vastu Shastra helps and design homes and building to use a natural light and air better and use eco-friendly materials. Organic farming using old IKS-based farming methods like natural fertilizer makes soil healthy, grows more crops and avoids harmful chemicals. Sustainable wellness. Companies are mixing the Ayurveda and traditional medicines with sustainable idea to create a product that are good for us and the environment. And community-led sustainability scaling ancient wisdom. This traditional method work best when the whole community is involved. This shared knowledge help local areas manage climate and resource better. By teaching these practices, we can create a big positive changes. We need to focus on the community education, teaching this traditional knowledge in schools and workshops, hybrid solution mixing old wisdom with new technology to make a practices bigger and easier to use. Global adoption, sharing and adopting the IKS practices all over the world to help with climate and resource problem. And honoring wisdom, building and sustainable future. In short, the IKS give us a proven example ways to deal with the wastewater shortages and wastewater shortages. By using this method today, we show respect for our history and take care of our planet for future. Let's respect heritage scale solution and inspire action. So thank you for listening. I hope you see how the powerful and practical these ancient ideas are building a sustainable future. So this is a simplified script. Maintain a key point of creating and good practices. Thank you.